Why I choose DMCI Homes? Unang
Why DMCI Homes?
Why DMCI Homes?
Yun, why DMCI, no? So,
Why DMCI Homes?
Why DMCI Homes?
Why I choose DMCI Homes? When I started at DMCI Homes, I did not expect na meron palang ganito sa Metro Manila. It is, we called this project Resort Living Amenities. You know, pagpasok mo palang super hangin, para kang nasa probinsya. So, yun yung kakaiba pag pumasok ka sa DMCI Homes. Exceptional resort living amenities.
Why DMCI Homes? If you're looking for a secure and comfort place for your family, it's here in DMCI Homes. For me, DMCI is home.
Why DMCI Homes? In my span of the on my tenureship here with DMCI Homes, I'm almost 9 years. Next year magta 10 years na ako. So, bakit po si DMCI Homes? First of all, because of the sizes. Okay, so napaka-generous na mga unit sizes ni DMCI Homes compared to the other developer that I started from, because nag-start ako sa realty way back 2009. Okay, so I started with a certain developer for 4 years until 2013, 2014. Then I transferred to DMCI Homes. So I'd compare first of the sizes. Malaki yung sizes. Second, the resort-inspired amenities. So ito yung sa mga nag-inspire sa akin, 'di ba, na syempre to invest then with the DMCI Homes because of the resort-inspired amenities and the sizes. And lastly, yung Lumevent technology natin, because itong Lumevent technology natin, walang ibang pwedeng gumaya. Okay, so nakapatent ito with DMCI Homes. It's the natural ventilation of the building. Okay, and lastly, the price. Okay, the price and the terms. Okay, so here with DMCI Homes, super flexible yung mga payment options natin, mga payment terms natin. And also, they give generous amount of discounts, especially pagka bago po yung project. So, yun po. So, that's why I choose DMCI Homes.
Why DMCI Homes? DMCI Homes provide the perfect combination of quality and affordability. Not to mention, all DMCI projects have a family focus. This can be determined by the 3 different pools that we have, the walking trails, the well-maintained grounds, and other amenities.
hello everyone, once again, my name is Lennon Adarayan from Sales DMCI. Yun, why DMCI, no? So, why? Because on my back, you see full resort type amenities po ang ino-offer ni DMCI. New innovations, resort inspired amenities, locations, everything na mai-enjoy nyo sa isang community like DMCI condos is nandito na po siya. Your family will enjoy the full access of the community, space, basketball, gym, playground, yes, and then clubhouse, multi-purpose area. That's all ang i-offer ni DMCI. Uncomparable to the other projects na nakikita natin sa labas, no? So that's why po maraming talagang nagugustahan at nai-inlove pag nakakapasok po ng DMCI project namin. So hopefully makatulong po ito para sa aming mga community at residents, no, na gusto talagang manirahan sa DMCI.
Why DMCI Homes? Bakit? Kasi for me, ang area at ang mga una-una, the unit is good construction, good materials na ginamit, and the space is spacious, so hindi siya crowded, well ventilated yung space, yung building, so hindi siya mainit like common sa mga condos na nakikita natin dito sa Pilipinas na magkakatapat. So dito sa DMCI, ang laki ng space sa lobby. At sa paglabas mo ng pinto, ng room mo, may ano pa siya, parang may lobby pa siya sa harap. So, regarding sa location naman, ang mga building at site ng building ng DMCI, commonly nasa prime location. So, nasa malapit siya sa hospital, schools, so municipal. So, hindi kayo mahirapan pumunta sa mga area yan kasi andun siya mismong naka-site. So then sa amenities, regarding sa amenities, napakaganda ng mga amenities ng DMCI kasi lahat sila upgraded. So hindi sila common sa mga ibang condo na nandito sa Pilipinas. So may mga sky pool, may mga regular na pool. So mag-enjoy talaga yung mga bata o sa mga bisita nyo dito sa DMCI Homes. And then sa pricing, hindi po tayo nagkakalayo sa mga price ng ibang condo units. So competitive tayo. Tapos yun lang, for me, the best ang DMCI and napakasulit ng investment natin dito sa DMCI Homes. Thank you.